Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're craving pizzeria quality pizzas at home but hate uneven cooking from grills or the hassle of spinning pies manually in bulky ovens, then get fired up because today we're spinning into a portable pizza revolution that's making backyard baking effortless. I'm talking about the Halo Versa outdoor pizza oven with rotating cooking stone. This propane-powered gem rotates your pizza automatically for even char and crisp crusts on up to 16-inch pies. And it's designed for easy transport with a lightweight build and carry bag. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your pizza parties, camping trips, and family dinners tastier, faster, and more fun without the need for constant monitoring or flipping. Let's dive in and see why this oven is turning heads in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Halo Versa outdoor pizza oven with rotating cooking stone. This isn't your average pizza maker. It's Halo's portable outdoor oven designed for high heat performance with a unique rotating cordierite stone that spins your pizza for uniform cooking, eliminating hot spots and ensuring every slice is perfect. It runs on standard propane tanks for clean, consistent fuel, reaching up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit to cook 16-inch pizzas in about 10 to 15 minutes with that bubbly, charred crust. The oven has a stainless steel body that's durable and rust resistant, with foldable legs for compactness and a carry bag for portability, weighing just 25 pounds. The rotating stone is powered by a battery-operated motor with adjustable speed, and the wide door opening makes loading easy with any peel. It includes a thermometer for monitoring temps, a pizza peel, and a rain cover for storage. Dimensions are about 24 inches wide by 24 deep by 14 high when set up, making it ideal for tables or patios. Setup is simple. Unfold legs, connect propane, light the burner, preheat, load your pizza, and let the rotation do the work. Priced around $299, it's an affordable option with innovative features for home chefs. Versatility is huge. Beyond pizza, bake flatbreads for appetizers, roast veggies for charred flavor, or even cook meats with the high heat. The rotation works for calzones or cookies too, and it's great for outdoor entertaining without constant attention. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are solid. The automatic rotation means hands-free, even cooking without turning. Propane fuel is clean and quick with no ash. The portable design is lightweight for travel, and users love the consistent results that rival expensive ovens. It's beginner-friendly with no assembly, the stone heats evenly, and battery life is long for multiple uses. The price offers great value and cleanup is easy with a removable stone. But no oven's perfect. The main con is the lower max temp at 850 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to some rivals. Rotation motor needs batteries. Some note uneven heat if not preheated fully. And while portable, propane adds weight. Overall, pros dominate for casual pizza makers. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Halo Versa outdoor pizza oven if you want easy, even pizzas outdoors. The pros like rotation, portability, and affordability make total sense for families, campers, or entertainers. It's not just an oven, it's your effortless path to perfect pies. Before we wrap, if these reviews heat you up, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.